Myro holders, take your panties and unbunch them. All right? Because there's still hope. We're actually looking at a solid chance of an amazing recovery. Yes, we did dump. And did we ever dump? But we bounced off the 786 like a champion. Like the good doggy that Myro is. We bounced off the 786 and we printed a daily bullish engulfing candle. What's more is we are showing some developing bullish divergence on the daily MACD. We also have a reversal signal on the daily. And can you tell me what happened the last time we had a reversal signal on the daily, on the chart prime oscillator? It marked the bottom. I'm calling it. This is the bottom for Myro until we go to mucho más higher prices. Okay. I don't like doing moon math too much. But hey, for you guys, I'll give you some ridiculous prices, right? 1618, that's kind of the industry standard for, blue sky breakouts. We're talking 65 cents, right? And if we were going to get really, really fucking nutty, I wouldn't say we're going any higher than $1.58, right? But hey, to hit that dollar mark, I mean, I know we're all waiting for that. So, that might actually make sense right at the 2618, right? So let's just leave these targets up here. So one day when we are basking in the glory of the green dildos, that's right, the green candles, we can buy a bunch of chicken tendies with our gains. And yeah, folks, let's go on to the 4 hour here. You can see also, I'm going to move my shelf over here, that everything's looking good. Everything's good in the hood. We're also printing reversal signals here. Man, we smacked this support right here on the nutsack. Next levels to look out for are 19 cents. I would watch out for this wedge too. Definitely, that's going to be a huge area of resistance when we come up on it, probably around 23 cents. 26 cents. Obviously, this is the big kahuna right here. If we can get past this and close above 37 cents, then yeah, guys, it's looking like moon mission. Absolutely. We got a lot of work to be done, but let's see. We got a good bounce. We're showing divergence on the daily. Looking like a little pullback right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we came back and revisited this trend line right here. Which held. And that also gives me a lot of confidence that we did hit the bottom. This trend line has been a multi-month support. Let's see here. So wouldn't be surprised if we came back down and tested this, came back up, and then down, and then, oh, there we go. Something like that. I could see happening, similar to what we did over here. We respected the living fuck out of this trend line, and I want to see it happen again. If we break below it, then yeah, I'm definitely getting out of all of my Myro positions. 100%. Let's go on over to the itty bitty bad boy. And yeah, I mean, this is looking great. We're showing some engulfing candles, double engulfing candles. I mean, you can see every time we've got a char prime candlestick pattern, which filters out all the noise and kind of gives you like the really high potential reversal candlestick patterns. We've done some crazy shit all around. We've done some crazy shit. So I could see us coming back at least up to 71. And then, for the moment of truth right there to see if we actually break through. I feel like we're going to need some kind of catalyst. We do have earnings reports for all of the big Fortune 500 companies, Tesla, Google, all of them. I wouldn't be surprised if someone says, hey, we added Bitcoin to our balance sheet, like a spot TF or something like that. That could be a big catalyst. And yeah, everyone's afraid of the pre-halving dump, but honestly, this cycle's been nothing like the past two. Nothing at all, right? So, maybe that narrative really isn't in play. Who knows? But all I know is this really important level held. We're still bearish, I would say. I'm still bearish until we get above the VWAP and the dynamic reactor. It's still red. And there really is no edge on the MACD. Let's check out the oscillator. Let's check out the RSI also and see what we're seeing here. Yeah, no edge. Actually, on the RSI, we look like we're painting a little bit of hidden bearish divergence, which is not good. And I could see us very easily painting some hidden bearish divergence once we get up to this level. We basically need to close above this level right here, right? Before correcting to eliminate hidden bearish divergence, right? It's probably going to look like something like this. I'm just going to assume, right? So that's a lot of room to go. That's a lot of work to be done. It can be done, but man, bearish divergences, especially on the 4-hour, on the MACD, on Bitcoin, I always take them seriously. They always eventually play out. Like, for example, this guy right here. They always come back and nip you in the butt. They always get you. Oh, here's another one right here. Right here. You see that hidden bearish divergence right there? They always come to get you, man. So let's see if history repeats here. These hidden bearish divergences have been very, very bad. They've resulted in huge corrections. So just keep an eye out on that. And yeah, but as for now, right now, Myro, I'd say anywhere in this zone and this zone right here, anywhere between 16 and 11 cents, beautiful chance to DCA here. I've heard rumors that Myro might get listed on spot on Binance too, so could be a catalyst coming up soon. Who knows? But yeah, I'm long. I'm long, even though we basically capitulated. But that's what you need. That's where all the buyers step in, is after capitulation, right? We had our fun up here. A lot of distribution, another distribution. We came back, hit the 618 here. then pooped all the way back down here. Capitulated, and this is where people accumulate. This is where millionaires are made. Buying those dips, man. But yeah, if we close below this trend line right here, then it's lights out. Then I'm out. So, all right, guys, that's it for me.